Hi everyone, Tara here from Divine by Designs, and today I'm going to show you in a full video how I made my extra large tree topper bow. I am sorry for the quality and the position of the video. I did shoot this vertically as I was only going to use it for shorts and for Instagram reels, but I got a lot of requests to show the video so that you guys could see exactly how I did make it so you could make it yourself. So this is the video. All you need to make this bow is floral wire, the Easy Bow Maker. You could do it by hand, but it's much easier to have the Easy Bow Maker, and a whole bunch of ribbon. I used 2.5-inch ribbon, and there's 3 different kinds. And then I also used 3 different kinds of 1.5-inch ribbon. All of the ribbon is wired. So the first base ribbon that I'm using is this white satin ribbon. It's 2.5 inches and it's wired. And I basically made 8 8-inch loops. So that would be 4 8-inch loops on either side. And then I continued with the rest that I will tell you about once we get there. The next ribbon I used is this white satin snowflake ribbon, and the snowflake is silver with a little bit of glitter. With this ribbon, I made 7-inch loops. So the first ribbon was 8-inch loops. This one is 1 inch shorter, and I did 8 in total, so 4 on either side. The next ribbon that I'm using is this beautiful silver netted ribbon. And for this one, I also am making 8 7-inch loops. So it's 4 loops on either side. Here I moved on to the silver 1.5-inch wired ribbon, and for this ribbon I made 8 5-inch loops, so that's 4 5-inch loops on either side. Next, I am using this white iridescent ribbon, and I made 8 4-inch loops. So that's 4 4-inch loops on either side. The last ribbon I used is a 1.5-inch wired ribbon. It is so beautiful in person. It is a sheer ribbon with silver vertical stripes. And for this one as well, I made 8 4-inch loops. So that's 4 loops on either side. Once I was done with my final loop, I used floral wire to attach it all together. I don't have a video of the tails, but I'm going to tell you all of the measurements now. For the 2.5-inch ribbon, I cut 2 tails of each color, and they were 8 feet long, so that is 6 tails total. For the 1.5-inch ribbon, I cut 2 7-foot tails of the solid silver and the silver sheer stripe, and then 2 6-foot tails of the white. Make sure when you cut the tails, you trim the bottoms to make it look clean and pretty. Now, the best part. First, what you want to do is start separating all of the different ribbons and creating a circle. So it's basically like a flat bow. After you do that to all of the ribbon, you take your 2 fingers and go inside each loop and push up and down so that you're fluffing out the loop. You want to do this to every single loop. After you do that, you just basically take a look at the bow and see if there's any gaps. And if there are some gaps, all you have to do is just move around the ribbon. So as you can see, I'm using my fingers to fluff out every single loop, and I'm moving them around, and I'm going to continue to until I shape the bow exactly how I want it. And it's great for you to really learn this and master it, because every year that you take out your Christmas decor, the bow is most likely going to be messed up, and now you know how to fix it and you won't have to buy a new bow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to make any more videos, just leave a comment.